In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter across multiple data sources using a parameter in Tableau. We'll be walking through each step in just about 5 minutes, so buckle up and let's get started. First, we'll need to launch the Tableau app and head over to your worksheet. Once you're in, make sure you have two different data sources ready to use. This is an essential setup for our multi-source filtering. Now, let's start arranging your data. Drag a dimension, such as the date, to the column shelf. Once you've done that, click to add the month of the date on the year of the date. These actions set up your timeline, allowing you to view data over a specific period. Next, drag measures such as profit and sales to the rows shelf. You'll want to right-click on Sales and select Dual Axis. This enables a dual axis view, making it easier to compare two sets of data simultaneously. Don't stop there, though. Right-click on Sales again and select Synchronize Axis to ensure both measures align correctly. Now, it's time for a fresh start. Open a new worksheet and switch to a different data source. Repeat the initial steps. Drag dimensions like order date and add the month of the order date. Follow up by dragging a measure, such as sales, to the rows shelf. Let's get creative with visuals. Drag a dimension like category to the marks field and set it to color. And to further enhance clarity, right-click to hide the title of your sheet. Switch the marks field from automatic to bar to visualize your data in a bar chart format. With our worksheets ready, it's time to create a dashboard. Drag both of your prepared worksheets into the dashboard canvas. For a cleaner look, right-click on the title of each and select Hide Title. Returning to the first worksheet, click on the drop-down menu next to the View Data icon. Here, you'll create a parameter. Name it Select State. For the data type, select String and choose List under Allowable Values. From there, add values from the field and select the state from your data source. Once your parameter is set, head to the Analysis menu to create a calculated field. Name it State Filter and enter the query. Select State equal State. Click OK, then drag this to your filters and select True. Hit OK to apply. Repeat the calculated field setup on your second worksheet. Once done, head back to your dashboard. Locate the drop-down menu beside the sheets and select Parameters, followed by Select State. And there you have it. You can now use this drop-down to select a state and view your filtered data across multiple sources seamlessly. This process not only enhances your data analysis, but also provides a more dynamic and flexible way to interact with your data sets in Tableau. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful.